During a trip, Eid spent 1 by 3 of his money on food and 5 by 9 of his money on transport. He spent rupees 860 less on food than on transport. How much money did he bring for the trip? So just we read the question. Now to understand it, just answer few questions. The questions are: what fraction of money did he spend on food, on transport? According to the question, on which thing he spent more money, on which thing he spent less amount of money? Then what amount of money he brought for his trip? So answer these questions, then you will understand the question better. So in the question it is given that he spent 1 by 3 of his money on food, 5 by 9 on transport. He spent less on food and more on transport. He spent rupees 860 less on the food. But amount of money he brought for his trip, we don't know. That only we have to find out. Let's start planning. So in the question it is given that he spent 1 by 3 of his money on the food. So this bar is showing total amount of his money. We have divided it into the 3 parts and 1 part is shaded as that 1 by 3 he spent on food. Then we know according to the question that he spent 5 by 9 on transport. So again the same bar we divided into the 9 parts, as the denominator given there 9. So now these pink 3 parts are already spent on food. Now yellow one we have shaded for the transport. So 5 by 9 he spent for the transport, and 1 by 3 will become 3 by 9 when we have divided this bar into the 9 parts. Now you see how many more units are there in transport. So we can see that 1, 2, 3, 3 units are in food and 3 units are here also in transport, but 2 units are more here. And it is written that he spent 860 rupees less on food, means he spent 860 rupees more on transport, and it is given here. So the units which are more, the value of those units will be 860. So this is our planning part. Now solve it. So here we can see that the value, we have to find what is the total amount of money he brought for the trip. So there are 9 parts. We have to find out the value of 9 units. So here we can see that the value of 2 units is rupees 860. So the value of 2 units is rupees 860. So the value of 1 unit will be 860 divided by 2, that is rupees 430. Now the value of 9 units, so 430 rupees multiplied by 9 is equal to rupees 3870. So he brought rupees 3870 for the trip.